10 things that prove that Christianity is anti-Igbo. Onwe ife obodo jibilu. Onwe things obodo jibulu obodo. Bona, if your influence is to erode them, then one way or the other you're a virus. I'm saying you penetrate slowly and you destroy that people. So I'll be listing a few. Maybe the first, it's not in any particular order. The first is that spiritual husband unappeased spiritual forces won't let niggas be great or even result in death self. Then the few churches will actually come talk, say that they work on them, where they even acknowledge, say, no be just principality where Jesus Christ has been given all dominion over and you don't have to bother about it. The few churches will actually come talk, say that they do them, go tell you such a foolishness as to suggest divorcing you and the spirits, an entity that you have been coming several generations, millions of years or whatever is its time in the spirit age. They will tell you make they divorce you and guess why? Because you are having money problems in this earth, this 100-year existence. 2. Motivate people to destroy their ancestral altars, ancestral defense mechanisms. Which guess they okay that they are there to protect you from. To protect you from invaders, they be strong warriors. Until date they celebrate them. Now it can't be foreign invaders where we they suffer, where the entire Africa they suffer. Now the foreign invaders where they supposed to come protect you from with their virus anti-defense system, because their virus now to target your defense system. Now that Christianity, them now can't teach you, make you deinstall your altars where they created to protect you from those invaders. Up for yourself. 3. Someone will die and Ebuli na agba keje nye Ogidi. You go try that kind of Ogidi mwemu, Ogidi na emesi mwemu. If you shout out to my G's from Ogidi, Ajibusu Ogidi. Ogidi no go do that kind of thing. If it was a desecrated more, the Igbo now, Obono no Igbo ancestral altar, if more Jiwebu, breadwinner family, breadwinner. If anya wonu ji afọ ụzọ una agbala ọsọ, the Lord bring it and the Lord take it to unu eje nye ọzọ. If it was ogwa mmadụ lite, you go do anyhow, atụwa gị na mmụọ try agi kpọọ gị for try first. So now mmụọ go come kill person wey be say unu kwesị gbala ọsọ first of all, then not to go do mmụọ bata n'ime ebe a na these people annually fefa na water. Now, this is not Igbo. It's not Igbo nature to just go and run and bury somebody where you don't know waiting more than. You just go bury them. You know they wise. The spiritual they exist, and you guys pay attention to them. 4. People die. People's parents die, and people have not buried them. When they bury their parents, for ages. They think that's the reason they've not accorded their people their rights. Man, the reason is that they don't understand the absolute importance. The only fed more important than onion kegi. It make you sure he send the effort, no ketoki ni gwa money ni gwan umunna umuada ndiche, which is umunna igwa afa no anya ngugo nye if obuno one ibuna mmụọ bịa n'obodo na ibuna alụsị bi obodo iwegalụ ndị befe ewu nna nwanyị iwegalụ fanya na mmụọ anọ ka elapụ a female deity or a male ikenga ubuna abanye ekwensu elapụ ya ọ na-akwụghalị na-atọ ọkazi maka na ịghọtala the importance o wee na-egbu men na-aga na ọ na-egbuzi men ọ ebe gị na mmụọ gị na-agba mgba. Why the foreign invaders no go get easy access to come fuck una up? You see Nike? No one name of Makana said that. Number 5, makes the people powerless against government officials. Guess who invented the government official structure thing? The church investors. Macron investor kahab. Obuna, the day a governor choice in office or a president choice in office or jewelo or for udumi or for alusi or for ugwa where why that he won't sell the best interest of the people, that he will stand for the best interest of the people. Say less. You already know. Say less. Number 6. Pokolo our best minds, but Chefan a seminary for years. Turn off into celebrate vineyard keepers of a fictional lord and master. Some of them were only sons who be the hope of their ancestors will be Fechi, because Habu vineyard keepers. What of a big if special youth then na seminary. Aragwa na abafa. Only fan out. Number 7. Read our society. I read our society of the formative will of Ikenga. Nwoke bụ Ikenga, nwoke bụ the will, nwanyị bụ the way. Akpọpụ Ikenga, the people, the Ikenga bearers are busy demonizing themselves, demonizing Alusi, the essence of Ikenga, equating to the essence of Ikenga, Amadioha. The Makuyabu essence, the concentrate of something. So without your concentrate, you are basically a carton. This body, I know they talk to people, I know they get anything against people where they draw tattoo for their body, besides the fact that you might be poisoning yourself, but because everything with your body is being eaten by your body. But otherwise, this thing na carton. If I will you have to increase your ear or whatever, man. You know what I'm saying? Na carton. But the essence, the core, the concentrate, we can be more. We are demonizing it because our spirits now, everybody's spirits now are Jesus Christ. Now you can find more Igbo, the will, a war machine, arguing with wine, arguing with women, arguing with Mother Earth where they as moldable as clay. The way they moldable as clay. The way where you want, now you should go express. You go find one cannot arguing with her. Feminism, masculinism, patriarchy, and enter your own house. Chiba mo ginono. Dosalu wanyi ebe obuchi ebe yana ndi omu ada na-eme ka inwe ife ka gị na ezinụlọ gị fu ife. Ana akoyeli. Isi na agbadizi our women. Isi na agbadizi nwanyị ebe niile. The day out on the streets protesting, naked, alabazi everybody. Makandioka, Makoka. Number 8. I've made videos, several videos actually, over the last year of people calling their parents unprintable names. Now one nefa, ife, ina buikusia, je sachon again, je saroto from your mouth. Because pastor opened the possibility, opened up the window of possibility in their mind. No, their mother is a witch. Even if she's a witch, even though say she be rich, why if you say she will do you anything? Not because say you don't understand anything. Then if you say she be witch, she be the supreme. She come from somewhere. You know what I'm saying? Where you now, but also to bang on I couldn't you. So you join bang to pass on and negative witch. Not be say you will come the. You guys say she be evil witch. Maybe say I'm motion attack him and I say you can't come because say she will tell you say you reach you now can go incur costs on yourself. Congo, they insult your mama, they beat your mama. When the future generation they cost, my children will see me worship my parents in life and in death. They will see me bring out their obesity and offer sacrifices to them. How is some Jerry-called scammer going to convince them that Moana Wamusu against them? How? Ebem brainwash go from Omas. Catch them young. Ties people into unsatisfactory marriages, for better for worse, till death do us part. When you can terminate a spiritual contract when no favor you, anytime where you want. When if you wake up, say, oh yeah, alusi ambuteta, achọzi m ngwa ka nkwakwali ibu niile eji ebuna gị ka ị na-abịa be nna gị maọbụ alụsi ekunye esi dibịa anụ a ị na-emetọzi m emetọ ide edebezi nsọ m onwezi ife ị na-aghọta ngwa nwaanyị anọba debe di m. Which one makes more sense to you than every day una go dey beat una self, dey kill una self, dey slam una head for wall, dey burn una self? Which one makes more sense to you? You foolish, sorry, you're not foolish, you are just brainwashed. Everybody get tatola na mbwenki. So, cheers. Last but not the least, made us forget yam farming. Nwoke araponzi dị n'akọji. Everybody na-elizi akpụ, cassava, ajọ nni, bad food, ajọ nni na-emebi ọsọ na-abụ. Ajọ nni bụ ilisi aya, onwezi efe ya n'afọ. Ilisi aya, you won't see what's coming. But it's all alright now. The Lord brings and the Lord taketh away. So you are covered in the blood of. I could go on for days. You know what I'm saying? I could go on. I could keep listing these things. Na ajife bo ajife. Oka ajoka. I could go on for days, but yeah, you can add your own. Anything to erode the identity, the culture. If you can't lose your identity, anything to erode our identity, a piece of our spirits, when the family feuds, who wins? Below the outsider. Yo, my few remaining Christian connections, which of these that I've listed is not anti-Igbo? Please use your thinking cap, or not be your faith cap, though, for a second. Yo, thanks for streaming, processing my pain. If you've not listened, kindly listen, and also share it to someone you know who needs it. Call word of mouth referrals. Like this, somebody who should listen. Yo, my guy, on this new album by this dude, Alusi Pablo. I think you might want to listen to it because, guys, when you go me already na stream, na views. I have on TikTok alone, I have over 2 million post views in the year that I've been on this. So 1 million streams is a lot. So, guys, Tialumaru, Yagazi. I